Friends, want to save time in the kitchen and make cooking easier? Then check out these 25 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make every cooking task super fast and fun. From making tea to chopping, steaming, grating, and storing, there are smart tools for everything. Each gadget's Amazon link is given in the video description box so you can easily buy them. Let's get started and discover this kitchen magic. Vegetable Corer. This gadget is designed to quickly remove the core of vegetables. It features stainless steel blades for clean cuts and comes with different sized attachments to prepare various vegetables perfectly, including potatoes, bell peppers, or eggplants in an easy and professional style. Pineapple Corer. This tool simplifies pineapple preparation. To use it, you just cut off the top of the pineapple, insert the tool into the center, twist it, and then pull it up. In minutes, you'll get perfect rings or cubes ready for salads, snacks, or drinks. Electric Kettle. Perfect for quickly making tea or coffee, this electric kettle heats water in just 1 to 2 minutes. It has a slim design that fits well in any kitchen and is available for around $4. Simply add water, turn it on, and hot water is ready instantly. Mesh Bag. These mesh bags are useful for boiling vegetables, preventing them from scattering in a large pot. Simply put the vegetables into the bag, place it in water, and boil. The vegetables will stay together and can be easily removed. They are ideal for making soup, stew, or light concoctions, helping to keep the kitchen clean and simplify cooking. After use, they can be cleaned and dried for reuse. Stand Mixer. For a professional feel in the kitchen, this stand mixer features a 900-watt powerful motor and a large steel bowl that can mix dough, cream, or batter in seconds. It offers 6 speed modes and comes with 3 attachments: a dough hook, beater, and whisk. You just add ingredients to the bowl, set the speed, and let the mixer do the work, making tasks like baking cakes easy. Egg Rolling Dispenser. This dispenser helps organize eggs in the fridge. It holds 12 to 14 eggs, and when one egg is removed, the rest automatically roll forward. Its slim design takes up minimal space in the fridge, and eggs are easily accessible from the front, making breakfast preparation quick and organized. Cherry Pitter Tool. This tool makes pitting cherries or olives super easy. It features a comfortable handle and a sturdy design for ease of use. Simply place the cherry, press, and it's ready in seconds. Clean, perfect, and ready to serve. Food Processor. The progressive manual food processor operates without electricity but performs like a professional tool. Its stainless steel blades quickly chop, dice, and mix. It offers 2 speed modes for fine or coarse cutting. The bowl is detachable and dishwasher safe. Just add vegetables, turn the handle, and perfect food prep is done in minutes without any hassle. Dish Rack. This 3-layer large dish rack is a smart solution for organizing kitchenware and saving counter space. It comfortably holds plates, cups, and jugs. With 3 layers and a detachable tray, water drains directly below, keeping the counter dry. It helps keep the kitchen organized and clean. Chicken Shredder. This gadget makes shredding chicken easy. Simply place cooked chicken inside, twist the lid, and in seconds, perfectly shredded chicken is ready. It features an anti-slip base and strong blades, making the process faster and easier. Bread Toaster. This smart toaster consistently delivers perfect golden toast. It features a touchscreen display, 6 browning levels, and modes for bagels and waffles, making it super convenient. A dual control panel allows for 2 different toast settings simultaneously, and a removable crumb tray keeps the toaster clean, ensuring a fast and classy breakfast with just a touch. Cheese Grater. Referred to as the flat grater, this tool is a new kitchen companion for grating cheese, chocolate, or nuts. Its slim stainless steel blade provides very thin grating, whether for pizza topping, chocolate shavings, or crushing nuts. Vegetable Scrubbing Brush. Referred to as the O'Dyer Vegetable Scrubber Brush, this brush makes washing potatoes, carrots, or radishes hassle-free. Just apply water, gently scrub, and vegetables will become perfectly clean and fresh. Multi-meal multi-cooker. This smart cooker simplifies kitchen tasks with its dual cooking system, allowing you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously, such as rice and curry. Simply set the timer and it perfectly cooks everything automatically, saving time and enhancing flavor. Hand blender. Referred to as the Geniza Immersion Blender, this gadget quickly prepares soups, smoothies, and sauces. It comes with 3 attachments: a chopper for cutting vegetables, a whisk perfect for whipping cream or eggs, and a frother to give your coffee a cafe-style foam. With 15 speed controls and a stainless steel blade, it ensures smooth results, delivering premium quality at home. Salt and pepper grinder. This electric salt and pepper grinder set is rechargeable, automatic, and can be operated with one hand. It features an LED light, a USB charging base, and adjustable grind levels to customize the texture from fine to coarse, making it a perfect gadget for a modern kitchen. Egg frying pan. This egg frying pan allows you to cook 4 different items simultaneously, such as eggs, cutlets, pancakes, or tikkies. It features a granite non-stick coating and a heat-resistant handle for safe and easy use. It works on both gas and induction cooktops and costs approximately, making breakfast quick and perfect in one pan. Food chopper. Referred to as the fresh food chopper, this tool eliminates the need for cutting boards and hand chopping. It quickly chops vegetables, nuts, or chocolate in minutes with just one button press. Its sharp steel blades perfectly grind or cut everything. The container is dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and saves time in the kitchen, making chopping quick and effortless. Roti maker. This electric roti maker prepares perfect rotis in minutes. Its non-stick plates cook each roti evenly, resulting in a soft and fluffy texture. It has adjustable heat control to make rotis as soft or crispy as preferred. Simply place the dough, close the lid, and hot rotis are ready in seconds, eliminating the need for rolling or tiring. Steamer basket. This folding steamer basket is ideal for steaming large vegetables in small pans. Its side feet automatically adjust to fit various pan sizes, and after use, it folds flat for storage. Made from BPA-free plastic and silicone, it is also dishwasher safe. Rotary cheese grater. This rotary grater simplifies grating vegetables, cheese, or chocolate. It comes with 3 stainless steel blades for slicing, shredding, and grating. Its non-slip suction base securely holds it on the table. Just a slight turn and everything is prepared. Milk frother. This small gadget, costing only $2, transforms regular coffee into cafe-style cappuccinos or lattes. Its rechargeable design and stainless steel whisk turn milk into fluffy foam in seconds. It's a perfect companion for the cold season. Fridge storage containers. Referred to as the Pomet Fridge Organizer Set, these containers are designed to transform your kitchen organization. The set includes 10 stackable boxes that keep fruits, vegetables, and snacks neatly arranged. Their transparent design allows visibility of contents, and the BPA-free material ensures safety, making every corner of the fridge look perfect and organized. Batter dispenser. This batter dispenser prevents spills and messes when making pancakes or waffles. Simply fill the container with batter, press the handle, and watch as the batter dispenses into the pan in a perfect shape, ensuring perfect pancakes every time, without mess or hassle. Electric pressure cooker. Referred to as the NutriBullet Every Grain Cooker, this appliance makes healthy meal preparation easy by perfectly cooking rice, oats, quinoa, and other grains in minutes. Simply add the grains, select the program, and press start. It also has a steam mode for steaming vegetables simultaneously, saving time in busy lives and simplifying kitchen tasks. Egg boiler. This electric egg cooker, available for around $3, makes boiling eggs easy, especially during busy mornings. It can boil up to 7 eggs at once to soft, medium, or hard consistency.
Just add a little water, press the button, and perfect boiled eggs are ready in minutes. It's affordable, compact, but performs like a professional.
So these were 25 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking experience easier and more fun. All the awesome gadget links are given in the description box. Buy with just one click and make your kitchen super smart. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel for more smart gadget videos like this.